Welcome to the Builder's Risk Outlook. The last few months have been a waiting game for the construction industry and the U.S. economy. With the new administration in place following November's election, the shift has continued to spotlight economic uncertainty. A lot of the noise comes down to 5 topics: inflation, tariffs, deportations, energy independence, and manufacturing. While these factors shape the market, one fact is undeniable. The demand for housing is holding strong in the U.S. with a home shortage of anywhere from 3 to 4 million units. The big unknown here is whether these factors will allow the market to meet that demand in an affordable manner. We think there's a path forward here. Based on the most recent Federal Reserve meeting, it is clear that tariffs, inflation, and rates are interconnected. The Fed is keeping a close watch on how aggressive trade policies impact inflation, especially with the goal of maintaining a 2% target rate. If tariff-driven inflation remains in check, we may see more than the 2 expected rate cuts for the remainder of this year. As for the workforce, mass deportations haven't yet created a widespread disruption in the construction sector. If they do, labor shortages could become a growing challenge that may lead to a construction delay similar to what we saw after the pandemic. Energy independence and a return to a manufacturing economy would be game changers. Lower energy costs would reduce expenses for building materials, while a boost in U.S. manufacturing could drive job growth and economic momentum. But what does the data tell us? The latest numbers show new home construction jumped 11.2% in February to a seasonally adjusted rate of 1.5 million starts, far surpassing any expectations. Single-family home building increased 11.4% to 1.11 million starts, the fastest pace in over a year, and a potential indicator that builders are now responding to demand despite concerns over higher lending rates. This surge in new home construction contrasts with some weaker economic indicators such as consumer sentiment and retail sales. But the housing market remains a bright spot in the economy. Looking ahead, the housing market could be turning a corner. Single-family home construction is gaining momentum and builders are pushing forward despite higher costs. Uncertainty will remain for the foreseeable future. However, we believe the construction industry will play a crucial role in driving economic recovery as we move further into 2025. See you next time.